continue what I have already explained about how to register the categories in the club and how to add the players to these categories. Now I'm going to show the second step, that is how to create a test application and how to add these players to this application. So let's go, click here, test application, and then you click this button and click add. So you have to name this test application, put this name under 15 April 2020. You also have to choose the expiration date, which is the deadline that the players have to do the test. You also can choose the report access. It can be available for both players and managers of the club to see these results, or only for the manager. I will leave like this, like the custom settings, and then you have to click here, let's say. Okay, it's already created here, you can see. It's the only test application created in this club, so it's already selected. And now you have to add the players. This window will appear and you will see the players that are already registered at the under 15 category. And you also can look for a player by typing his name or his nickname here. You can choose a specific position or the year of birth. So there are these three filters available and they can be used together as well. So we choose these three players and then click at confirm. Okay, these tests were sent for the players and they have to log in at their accounts to perform the tests. So next I'm going to show how the players will see how it appears in their accounts. How I just mentioned, we are now in the player interface and you can see that here he has already done 2 tests and the test sent by the club is this one. So here you can see the deadline to perform the test, and to perform it you just have to click at this green button here. So after he performed the test and finishes it, this test will be available for the club in its interface.